Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Roblox. And, we are gonna play, That's very hard. Let's see. My first playing New City Battleship Tycoon. Oh, my sensei's doing it. Okay, okay, yes, I'm ready. Maybe we should put this right here. Oh, that's better. Okay, so we are going to be playing. I have no clue. Anyways, I guess I'll just play something in here. What should I play? Zombie Rush? No. Restaurant Tycoon 2? Maybe. Let's do. Okay. Guys, today we are going to be playing, have I ever played that? Probably not. Let's see. There's Bloxburg, work at a pizza place. What should I play? I guess I'll just go to the most popular play. Actually, I'm gonna play Jailbreak. Okay, we're gonna play Jailbreak today. One sec, let me turn up the volume. Okay, on Jailbreak. Yay. Now I can move it over there. Oh, wait, never mind. I should just keep it there. And I can play. Chip, 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 chip. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm screwed. Okay, speak, please, prisoner. Obviously, prisoner. Who are you? What are you doing in this world? What do you do? Okay, for some reason we spawned in the yard, and we are going to, wait, there's no top criminals? Boy. Everybody sucks in this server. Hi, do you have a key card? No, he doesn't. Okay, so we are going to be taking a key card and running. Run. Like, there's no criminals in this, obviously. Because everybody sucks, and there's only like 7 criminals about, or 6? I don't know. I can't count right now. Okay, we are going to be finding a police, if there is any in town. Yes. Yes, boy. Boy. You suck. Whoa. Wow. You honestly think I'll fall for that? I'm just gonna stand here till they get annoyed. Or what if I do this? Wait, I have a question. Can you give me a key card, please? Please. I'm just gonna say this. Hey, will we want a key card. What, did I not spell it correctly? Thank you. Oh, for crap, no. No, he's gonna get me. Boy, no, boy. No! I actually succeeded that time. Why do you have to be so rude? You know what? Boy.
Alex, when's 8:15?
Okay. I can't believe it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We succeeded. We're gonna die. Yes. 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 Everybody. So rude here. We're all gonna die. What is this? Oh, what is? Oh crap! No, 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 please. I'm actually kind of lucky because there's like no cops in front. Oh my god, I am so lucky. Like usually there's a million cops crowding here waiting for criminals to come. And it'd be like, boom, you're arrested. Today there's no cops. Why is everything trying to kill me? Yes. Yes. What does that say? No. Wait, is there an actual cop behind us? There is. 3 billion. Why does that say 3 billion? I don't know. Why does it? I guess there's 3 billion hula hoops. Yay. So fun. Fun. Oh crap. Probably want to go farther. Please say it's open. Please say it's open. This thing. Why? 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 Oh, well, I guess we'll just go rent an apartment. Nothing much. Or I could just wait a train to come. Never mind. Hear me. Why? What? Why did I die? Why am I burning? Please. I want to die. Why am I burning? Can somebody explain to me why I'm burning? Yeah, help. Press and hold. Why am I burning? Help. Help. I will shoot my way away. I will shoot myself away from it. No. 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 Oh, crap. Well, guys, I'll see you next time I become a criminal. Okay, guys, we're getting back in the game because, like, my last game glitched for some reason. Anyways. Yay, there's actually top criminal roles in this game. This is gonna be fun. Oh, there's a noob. There's a noob. There's a noob. Hi, noob. Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi, do you know what noob means? Because I think you suck. Did I just get arrested by a noob? Explain! Explain! Why? Why? Can I go down this toilet? No, this is a sink. It's not a toilet. Oh, yeah, it's a toilet. Never mind. Okay. Who are you? You suck. You suck. Another noob. Anyways, now there's only 2. The server's getting worse and worse by the second. Are you suck? Crap, it's a cop. It's a cop. Yeah. Mr. Krabs. Yeah. Go ahead. Boy. Why? Hi. Just say. Can I please have a key card? Can I please have a key card? Nice. What is it? That's not fair. I'm nice. Okay. It is 7:46 right now. Why do we have to watch it? No! Why are you so mean? He gave me a gun. I'm gonna kill him with it. I like prison life better. See you in the next video, guys. Wait, bye.